In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to record payment receipts in Freshbooks. Whether you're a seasoned user or just getting started, understanding how to properly log payments is crucial for maintaining accurate records and efficient bookkeeping. So, let's dive in and walk through the process step by step. The first thing you want to do is navigate over to the Invoices section. This is your primary hub where all your client invoices reside, making it easy to manage and track your business transactions. To access this, simply log in to Freshbooks and click on the Invoices tab, which you'll find on the main dashboard. This section is designed to give you a clean and organized overview of your billing activities. Next, you'll want to open the relevant invoice for which you've received a payment. Scroll through your list of invoices until you locate the one that corresponds with your client's payment. Clicking on the specific invoice will open up a detailed view, giving you access to all pertinent information related to that particular billing. Once you're in the invoice details, look for the More Actions button. This feature offers a drop-down menu of various options, and from there, you'll want to select Add a Payment. This step initiates the process of recording the payment, so be sure you're working within the correct invoice, since each record should reflect accurate client transactions. When adding a payment, it's crucial to confirm several details to ensure everything aligns perfectly with your records. Double-check the amount, payment method, and date fields. Accurately entering this data not only keeps your records pristine, but also helps when it's time to reconcile your accounts. Payment methods might include options like credit card, bank transfer, or even cash, depending on how your client settled the invoice. Sometimes you might need to add internal payment notes. This is particularly useful for your own reference or for your team's understanding of specific details related to the transaction. These notes could include anything from check numbers to clarifications on payment terms, providing valuable context that can be revisited later if needed. Another step you can opt for is choosing to send a payment notification email to the client. This automatic email notifies them that their payment has been received and recorded. Not only does this maintain professionalism, but it also helps in building trust and transparency with your client. It's a reassuring way to keep everyone in the loop. Finally, once everything is entered and double-checked, you proceed by selecting Add Payment. This confirms the transaction in Freshbooks, updating your records to reflect the new payment status. It's always a good idea to give everything a last look, just to ensure that all entered details are accurate and complete. By now, you should have successfully recorded a payment receipt in Freshbooks, which will keep your financial records up to date and organized. Thanks for watching, and we hope this guide has made the process a little clearer for you. Happy bookkeeping!